Hey guys, Mark here at JazzStack. This is a status update for September 1st, actually. So, on my journey to becoming a developer slash software engineer, I wanted to share some of the projects. So it's been sort of a rough time with, the summer, family prep to back to school. So I've updated my LinkedIn profile with all the projects, including some others that I showed on this YouTube channel here. So there's a rock, paper, scissors variation, tic-tac-toe variation, and that one I'm pretty proud of. I called it the Sentimental Trader. So actually, it's a simple Flask app with a login, and there's a portfolio. So it's been deployed on Render, of course. So this is, of course, the free version of Render. So it takes a while to load. Actually, I'm not going to show you this one. So feel free to navigate my LinkedIn profile to see those. And last but not least, I was able to finish my Keep for Gmail, which is right here, actually. So it's a Chrome extension that detects it does an API call to Keep, which is the CRM we use in my JazzStack business, which is really fascinating. So there's even a video in which I explain everything, and this is what I got credit for in CS50X, the Harvard class. So I'm pretty stoked. Quick status update. So for me right now, the main focus is on finishing the course careers class. The fundamentals, I have yet to finalize a project. I wanted to make a big one actually, and then I will do the final exam, which should be relatively easy, and then go into the backend specialization. My final project will be a blackjack helper with an interface in React, and I will code an API. I know it's overkill, but I've already built the engine in Go, and I will make the React front end use the API on the back end. I will create in Go, which will be just live, in memory. There's not going to be a database, just to keep the state of the cards of the player and the dealer. But there's several options that we're looking into, like doubling, splitting. We use the shoe like in real casinos with 6 decks. So I've been working on this for the past 2 or 3 weeks, and it's a scaffolding that was already established in the course careers class I'm taking. However, with the course careers class, we only had 1 deck, and it was strictly command line CLI, right? Command line interface. So after I'm done that project, and after I'm done the exam, I'm going to launch into the backend specialization, which is taught by Caleb. So I've made friend with Caleb on LinkedIn. So this is the curriculum. So JavaScript stuff, Node.js, API design, API testing, of course, and some database stuff. So there's things like basics of SQL I've already done in CS50. There are things about architectures that I'm really familiar with, but this should be a 4 to 8 weeks, so probably 2 or 3 months. So now this is September 1st. It is my objective to get finished with that by the end of 2025, and also hopefully have a junior development role or internship by the end of the year. So that's it for the update on JazzStack. I'm also planning, there's lots of things in the pipeline, like building the portfolio website instead of just using, say, LinkedIn or GitHub, and other small projects I have in mind. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.